I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the concrete inputs, device counts, license tiers, and the subscription period. Gather the customer billing profile and tax ID so charges map correctly. Export usage logs and any support or setup fees as a CSV. This makes line item math reliable. Once done, reconcile prorations and trial conversions against the billing period so totals won't surprise you. Make sure to note discounts, promotions, and renewal dates before you open the invoice template. Next, construct the invoice line by line. Enter SKUs for each license, quantity, and unit price so subtotals are transparent. Apply discounts and credits as separate lines to preserve auditability. Compute prorations for mid-period changes. Add one-time fees and support charges clearly, then calculate taxes using the customer's tax status and jurisdiction. Once line math is complete, sum subtotals, taxes, and fees, and verify rounding rules. Make sure next billing date and payment terms appear on the invoice. Finally, generate a PDF invoice with clear terms, a payment link, and contact info. Attach supporting CSVs for usage and credits, then send through the approved email or portal and log the invoice ID. Monitor payment and send receipts automatically when cleared. If the customer reports a mismatch, pause collections, reconcile the exported CSV against the billed lines, and rerun calculations. Issue a corrected invoice with an explanation. Make sure to track the correction so accounting closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.